Massive layoffs are sweeping the nation. Do you think your job is safe? Think again. The economy is on a roller coaster and you are strapped in for the ride. It's 2025 and let's face it, job security, it's like a deck of cards in a hurricane. The federal government are slashing jobs, companies are downsizing, and financial instability is spreading fast. The real question is, are you prepared? In today's economy, having a recession-proof side hustle is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Massive layoffs are affecting federal employees and corporate employees. With financial instability spreading rapidly without a backup plan, many could find themselves struggling to stay afloat. Let's talk about 4 of the most reliable side hustles that can withstand an economy downturn. Many people who once believed their career were stable are now facing financial uncertainty. The only way to stay ahead is to take control of your financial security through diversifying your income stream. So, relying on one source of income, that's dangerous territory right there. That's no longer an option. Having multiple sources of income now is the norm. It can provide security and peace of mind. So, for those of us that's living paycheck to paycheck and have a family to support, now is the time for you to take action. For 2025, here are some of the top recession-proof side hustles that can help maintain financial stability. Number 1, online tutoring and teaching English, offering potential earning of up to $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Did you know that simply speaking English is a skill worldwide that people will pay you to teach them? Why this work? Oftentimes, you don't need to have a teaching degree. You don't need to speak the foreign language required. Work from home anywhere, home or while you're traveling. Demand is growing worldwide. So this is an easy skill that you already have just from knowing how to speak English that you can monetize. If you're already good at a subject like math or science, you can tutor kids or adults online for about $20 to $50 an hour. Number 2, creating and selling online courses. Those with expertise in a subject can generate passive income of up to $10,000 per month by sharing knowledge through digital products. What's something people always asking your advice on? One of my colleagues, he's obsessed with cars. He's so obsessed with cars, he can name any car brand, any model, and tell you everything you need to know about the car. All of us on the job, when we have issues with our car, we go to him. And he always tell us, it's this wrong with this, it's this wrong with it. I said to him one time, dude, you need to start a side hustle with that obsession that you have about cars. What can he do? He can open a YouTube channel and just pick a car every day and talk about that brand of car. I happen to believe he'll gain a huge following. He could write an ebook on different model of cars and call it What You Didn't Know About Your Car. Create a beginner's guide on how to buy your first used car. The point I'm trying to share by telling you this story is for you to take inventory of your skills and hobby and scale it into a side hustle. And if you don't want to sell a course, start on platform like School. There's a community called School Community, SKOOL. These are communities that teach you how to create and sell courses. Whatever you're into, there is a school community on this platform. I personally love the DCT community on the School platform. It's a community that teaches you everything that you need to know about AI. So they're a great community to take advantage of. I'll drop them in the link below. And they have a lot of opportunity on courses that you could resell by gaining access into their community. So if you don't know where to start on School platform. You'll find whatever it is that you're into. Number 3, drop shipping, print on demand. You can earn up to $20,000 per month. E-commerce is booming and you don't even need to hold inventory to make money. With drop shipping, the supplier handles inventory and shipping. You keep the profit. A platform where you can do some drop shipping on is a platform called Printify. They let you sell custom t-shirt, mugs, posters, and more without ever touching a product. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Earn $500 to $5,000 per month. Did you know you're already doing affiliate marketing for free every day? You tell your friend about that amazing restaurant. You recommend that binge-worthy TV show. You rave about this product that you love. But what if you got paid for every recommendation? How to simple start an affiliate program? Go sign up for Amazon Associate for free. Find products you're already using and love. Share your special link on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Get paid every time someone buys. It's as simple as that. If you already love a certain brand, check if they have an affiliate program. You can make passive income just by recommending what you're already using. So I just shared with you 4 recession-proof side hustles that can protect you no matter what's happening in society. Now it's time for you to take action. Watch this video where I'm sharing with you how simply it is to open a YouTube channel. Which side hustle out of the 4 that I just shared that's appealing to you? Or do you have another side hustle that's something that you're good at, that you've always wanted to start? Please drop in a comment. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you in my next video.